Meaning of faintly.
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 Faintly. Faintly means something is barely perceptible or scarcely noticeable. It indicates a small degree of intensity or strength in a sensory experience, such as sound, smell, taste, or touch. For example, a faint sound would be very quiet, a faint smell would be very weak, and a faint taste would be barely discernible. Faintness can also refer to a feeling of lightheadedness or weakness. In general, the term faintly implies a very subtle or delicate quality that requires close attention to detect or appreciate.